This is how you log into SplashLearn. You go to the top of your browser, type in www.splashlearn.com. Remember that you can save this website by going up here and clicking the star. After there, you click Sign In, and then click Class, because you are playing this math website game for class. After that, you enter your class code. For Ms. Rollins' class, the class code is JPZKXZ. Ms. Shahzad's class will have a different class code, so please ask Ms. Shahzad for your class code. Once you log in, you click on your name, and then you type in your password, which Ms. Rollins or Ms. Shahzad will give you. SplashLearn is a great website to use to play math games. So once you log in, you will be able to see your assignments and the different games there.